I'm pretty certain when you think about condo living, this is not what you're thinking of. I'm Nancy Chapin with Windermere Real Estate, and today I am at 15871 Northup Way in the fabulous condo complex of Foxborough. Now, if you don't know Foxborough, here's what you need to know. It's technically a condo, looks like a townhouse, but totally lives like a single-family home. And when you see the inside of this place and the surprise of an awesome backyard, well, I should just show you around. Come on, let me show you. You walk inside and it's just wow. The open floor plan and the amazing amount of natural light. The two-story living is just breathtaking. And the dining room into the kitchen with all its updates, gas cooktop. You head down the hall and the three-quarter bath into the guest bedroom. And that beautiful loft space with the minimalist railing. And look at that view. You head down the hall again from that loft space and you're into the primary bedroom, which also has a walk-in closet. And then is adjacent this beautifully updated bathroom with the double sinks. But really, it is perhaps the outdoor space that really makes this unique for a condo. It's private, low maintenance. So come enjoy the lush life of Foxborough condo community.